Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an awesome epic video. I'm going to do amazing makeup. Watch. So let's start with a little bit of powder. Make your face look a little a little white. There you go. When you got a little bit on your hand. So now we are going to do some nice cream. See? When you got some cream in your finger, start applying dots on two dots on one cheek, 2 dots on another cheek, 2 dots on your chin, 2 dots on your nose, and 2 dots on your and take it out. Take your brush out, and then now let's apply it on our little cheeks. See? Okay, one more down. See? Now do the other cheek. Cheeks are done. Do the eyes. I'm using red, and you use whatever color you have. It doesn't matter what color you have. What you want in heart. Come on. Now, yeah. Put your brushes back and put the makeup tips and put them aside. And now it's time for lipstick. Open your lipstick kit. Take whatever lipstick you have. I have this lipstick in my kit. When your lips are done, put them aside. Bye guys. See you next time, and don't forget, watch Arham's video every time. Bye.